Want to charge your Xiaomi Smart Band 10 efficiently? Watch this. Find your magnetic charger in the box. Align the two pins on the charger with the pins on the back of the watch. Attach the charger magnetically. Locate the USB end of the charger. Plug it into a USB port on your computer or laptop. Or, insert the USB end of the charger into the adapter and plug the adapter into a wall socket. Check if the watch starts charging. If your Mi Band is not charging, try this. Insert your Mi Band correctly. Make sure it slides easily and all the way to the bottom. Even a slight misalignment can prevent charging. Clean the contact points using a cotton tip or special cleaning tool. Gently rub the contacts to remove any dust. Reinsert your Mi Band. Ensure a snug fit for a good connection. Try a factory reset. Open Settings on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Scroll down to find the System option. Select the System option to proceed. Tap on Reset in the System menu. Confirm the reset to erase all data from your band. Remember, this step will remove everything. Wait for the band to restart automatically after resetting. Repair your band using a QR code after the restart. Download the necessary app to reconnect your band to your device. And that's it. Subscribe for more smart tips.